Archangel Michael, turn up message. Right now, from 9D to 3D, there's going to be a shift regarding realization. Possibly dealing with a Scorpio Aries cusp. Angel number 404. Angel number 222 should be significant. Possibly dealing with Leo, Aries, Sag, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. North Node and your South Node area and Midhaven, Virgo. It's going to be a misunderstanding based off some houses. Angel number 777 should be significant. Possibly dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, heavy emphasis on Virgo and your Midhaven, hitting all aspects underneath you guys' chart. Sagittarius will have some that may fall on 1,000 and some that may have fell in the divine life soul purpose, with or without, but within to without, to destroy who's trying to devour them. The Nephilim, the giants, the Pleiades, we are here. The Asheran Council and the Galactic Federation, Lightworkers 144. Starseed activations will also be classified information based off of governmental Indigo children, though as the 12th Massiah. King Tut should be significant. Prophets of high priesthood. The Empress has been in reverse for thousands of years. Seven sisters, the seven deadly sins. Divine life purpose number as 888 Lionsgate Portal has also presented some things in the central time zone that will be very significant to your moon sign, in which obligation will be something of a hypocrisy will be the word that you're looking for, according to your master number 1111. Father's doing fine, by the way. Aphrodite returned.